Alright, so in order to change the date format and time format to what you want, this, for example, as you can see on my taskbar here, this is not the format that I like to have my taskbar looking like. I like the 24-hour format. I like the date to make sense by the day, the month, and then the year. This American style is really not mine. It doesn't make sense to me. So I'm gonna change that, and I'm gonna show you how to change that. So first of all, just go to settings. You can do that by simply pressing Windows I. So once you're inside of settings, just go to time and language. All right, click on time and language, and inside of time and language, go to language and region. And once inside of language and region, you're gonna go into regional format. All right, you're gonna click on that and then scroll down and go to change format. So we're gonna change the format. For example, we're in the Gregorian calendar, so that's fine. I'll keep that. The first day of the week, you can make this Monday if you like. You can make this Sunday if you want, but I want the first day of the week to be Monday because that is the first day of the week for me. And the date display. So you have many options here for the date, and I want the date to show the 5th of April 2017, for example, the day, month, and the year. So 5th of April 2017, this is the date format I'm gonna choose. So now it's saying it's the 28th of August 2024, which is today's date. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see what the long date form is gonna be like. And the long date form is gonna be Wednesday, 5th of April 2017. I like that format, so I'm gonna keep it. And the one that follows that is I want the time to be a 24-hour format. So in the short time format, I'm gonna make it this short time, but I also want it to show 0. So I want it 24 hours, but I don't want it to just be like 9:40 or 20 to 10. So I want it to be 0940. And when it's later, it's gonna show that it's 1600. And on the long time format, I'm gonna make it 24 hours as well. So I'm gonna change that to 0940. And you can see that it changed the date here to 1841, and it's showing the seconds. I have the preference to show the seconds as well so that I know how much time I have before the minute changes. That's important to me. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change the date format to what you want it to look like on Windows. And obviously you don't have to set yours to look exactly like mine. You can set it to your preference. So if you like things backwards, you can make it backwards. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.